guys, good morning again and welcome back to my channel. Good morning and good morning and good morning. There's a lot of good morning out there. And today guys, we have our egg baked hash browns. Okay, so this is my second time of making these recipes, which is try to um, copy from YouTube as well. So this time I will prepare. We just have only a quick. This is a very quick recipes to make, and we have already here our potatoes, and I have this grated one piece big onion, white onion. So this is all ready, guys. So my just waited with my potato to come. So we're continue to um, peel it. And now guys, our potatoes, peeled potatoes are ready. So we just have to quick grate for this. Be careful with your fingers. We're using the starchy potato because the starchy one is more crispy when being cooked. So I'm done guys with our grated potatoes. So we have to mix our ingredients. This one is the grated onion, the white one. So we have to mix it. And we have follow with the salt. And the pepper. And our cayenne powder. And our garlic one. Should have our garlic powder. So that's it. And the last but not the least is our olive oil. And this is okay. Squeeze it, and squeeze it. To make it dry. Okay. So guys, the more the water that you take from the potato, the more it become crispier when it cook. So this is throughout the garbage. So guys, we're ready. Our pan is ready. Okay, so let's dive in with our pan. So we'll put more olive oil in it. Actually, this pan, guys, I use this one from the bacon. It's the bacon, crispy bacon that I cook. So here it is. So it's so dry. So the more it's dry, the more it's become crispier. So we'll see. Okay. So we're just waiting our pan become hot. Okay. That our pan is hot, so ew. Look at that, guys. And next we have to put our cubed butter on the sides just to make it melted around the corner. So look at that, guys. The butter is melted. And we will cover it. This is what I like. It's time to flip it over, just like that. So this is, you have to flip it over. Look at that. It's perfect. It's very hot, but it's look perfect, guys. Look at that. Then we have to put it again to slide it over, slide it over. Now guys, it's time for our egg. We will make our hash browns as a bed of eggs. Okay? So look at that. Just like that. Yeah? It's perfect. Now we will break the egg gently. Okay. Ooh. Wait, no. Baka masipir ako. See? I think I need more eggs. Because I have a big pan. So I need to put more eggs in it. Why not? And so eggs are everywhere. So look at that. Eggs are everywhere and it started to cook. So before it will cook completely, so we'll have the cayenne to put at the top of it. Okay, next is the cayenne powder. To put the cayenne powder at the top of the egg. Okay, dokes. And of course, with the pepper. Around the corner. And our salts. Okay, dokes. Now guys, look at that. And it's very nice. So this time it's ready to the oven. Oven. And guys, I have my bacon ready. So I just glaze it with honey. So look at that. So we will put this one top of our baked hash browns. Okay.